New channel intro for you guys. Hope you guys like it. Welcome to my YouTube tutorial. I'm going to be making this super cute Winnie the Pooh little tree trunk. It is in collaboration with 7 other amazing artists. I will link all their stuff down below. So I'm doing this on a cake dummy. I'm just taking some good old fondant and slapping it on. And I'm adding a lot of texture using my Innovative Sugar Works sugar shapers. And what I'm doing is I'm rolling it on there, I'm scraping it, I'm just using every bit of the tool that I can, making a little lip on top. I'm doing this in sections. We're not too worried about any seams being seen or anything. Just gonna scratch it up, rough it up, add some little tree trunk parts, and carve in a door, and you're good to go. Next we're gonna make some moss. So I've taped together like 6 or 7 toothpicks, and I'm just gonna poke and twist, poke and twist, poke and twist. And then we're gonna paint these. I'm adding some moss colored americolor gel paint, and then some food color, just some green food color with some alcohol mixed in. Same thing for the tree trunk. I'm first going over with my watercolors, and then I am adding in some deeper color with just some warm brown airbrush color. Adding in some moss. We want to create a little scene, and it's already coming together. I'm going to pop on the top, texture the top, and then again watercolor first, airbrush color next, and then I'm going to take a towel and kind of wipe off the excess so you get a really cool stain looking effect. Next, we're going to work on the suitcase. This is the suitcase from the Christopher Robin movie that comes out. That's what this collab is all about. So if you guys want to see some really cute stuff all themed around this movie, then make sure you guys check out the link below, again, in collaboration with some other amazing cake decorators. So I'm just adding some detail. I'm looking at a picture. I'm going to add a handle, stabilize it with some toothpicks. And we're going to be using something called poppy paint to color all this stuff. So while I am making the rest of the stuff here, I want you guys to check out how cool this poppy paint stuff is. Gives you a nice matte finish, but she has this stuff that you can put on the poppy paint, and it gives it a shine that doesn't go away. I really like it. So for the umbrella, I'm using some toothpicks to stabilize it. It's really easy. It's just a rectangle, guys, with some, half an umbrella sticking out of each side. Super easy. Next up, we're making some honey pots, because if it's Pooh Bear, we have to have honey pots, guys. So the whole purpose behind this is I wanted it to be kind of like Christopher Robin came back when he was older, and he's leaving his suitcase and his balloon, outside so he can go have fun with Pooh Bear. And Pooh Bear's so excited that he leaves all his honey outside. So I'm kind of creating like that type of, setting with this cake. So I have used my poppy paint to color my pieces, and then I'm going back over them on the honey part because I want it to look shiny with the gloss. So I love this stuff, you guys. It's awesome. And I'm also going to do the same thing with the suitcase. Look at the difference. It just adds the coolest little shine to it. Next, we're going to make a balloon. So I'm just shaping a balloon. We're going to add a wire to it so it looks like it's kind of floating up. And I'm also covering this with the gloss from poppy paint. And if you guys use this stuff, make sure you use it on a surface that you don't mind getting dirty, because it will stain. Alright, next up, I'm taking again poppy paint and a little bit of her thinner and kind of getting a little bit of a lighter color of that brown. And then I'm going to take a marker and write the word welcome. And then I'm going to go over that as well with some black poppy paint. And then I'm just going to start to adhere everything and kind of set the scene. And then I will put in some pictures at the end here. So I'm gonna stick the wire in the balloon and then it's gonna be done. And then you guys can check out the pictures. I really enjoyed making this cake. I really love the scene it creates. And I'm really excited to be a part of this collaboration. So please go check out all my friends' tutorials. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.